Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss grade 8 science topic. But before starting this topic, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Shweta, born and raised up in Fazilka, Punjab. I did my graduation from Punjab Agricultural University in the field of biochemistry. I did my post graduation in the same field. Previously, I took tuitions at home from grade 5th to grade 8th, and nowadays I am making educational videos for my YouTube channel. Teaching is my passion, and I think the real passion is the one which came from within, and the same happens with me. So that's a short intro about myself. Now let's begin our today's topic, which is cell structure and function. See, without cell, हम एक complete organism को imagine नहीं कर सकते. So we can say that cell is the basic structural and functional unit of life, because cells, when assembled, they give rise to a complete organism. Okay. Now, who discovered cell and when? Cell is discovered by Sir Robert Hooke in 1665. Okay. Now, coming to the cell structure. Cell is basically composed of three main parts. First is cell membrane. So as you can see, cell membrane. Okay. Then cytoplasm and nucleus. Okay. Now we will discuss one by one. First is cell membrane. So cell membrane is the outer boundary of the cell that provides shape to the cell. It also separates the cell from the another cells. Also, this cell membrane separates the cell from the external medium. Alright. Now, this cell membrane contains small pores inside it, and these small pores allows the substances or materials to pass through it from both the sides of the cell. Okay, so इस cell membrane के अंदर क्या होते हैं? Minute pores होते हैं that allows the materials to flow from the outside of the cell to inside and inside of the cell to the outside. Okay. Now, if we see in plant cell, what's the difference? In plant cell, apart from this cell membrane, and another extra boundary is present, which is the cell wall. So as you can see, this black boundary is the cell wall. Okay. Cell membrane is also there in the plant cell. Now the question here arises is that why plant needs extra boundary? So you all know that plants can't move. They stick to one side only. Therefore, these plants have to face extreme environmental conditions like extreme wind speed, extreme temperature, atmospheric pressure. So to conquer all these extreme conditions, plant needs this extra boundary cell wall that protects plant cell from these environmental conditions. Okay. Now let's move to the second part of the cell, that is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is the fluid-like substance which is present between the cell membrane and the nucleus. Okay. So as you can see here in animal cell, the cell cytoplasm is the fluid-like substance present in between the cell membrane and nucleus. Okay. Now, inside the cytoplasm, various organelles are also present, like mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, ribosomes, that we will discuss in higher classes. Alright. Let's move to the third important component of the cell, which is nucleus. Nucleus plays very important role inside the cell. Nucleus के बिना हम cell को भी imagine नहीं कर सकते. Why? Because nucleus coordinates, regulates all the activities which is performed by the cell. Alright. Okay. As you can see, this is the nucleus. So nucleus also contains nuclear membrane. So here also nucleus contains nuclear membrane. So inside this nuclear membrane, minute pores are present, and these pores plays the same function, that is the transport of material inside and outside of the nucleus. All right. Now This nucleus also contains thread-like structures inside it, and that thread-like structures they are known as chromosomes. और उन chromosomes के ऊपर genes present होते हैं. So gene is a very important word. Genes क्या होते हैं? Genes को कहते हैं these are the unit of inheritance. Now what is this unit of inheritance? हमने देखा है अगर पेरेंट्स से ऑफस्प्रिंग में कोई करेक्टर ट्रांसफर हो रहा है तो उसके पीछे किसका हाथ है, कौन रिस्पॉन्सिबल है? सो जीन्स आर मेनली रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द ट्रांसफर ऑफ करेक्टर फ्रॉम पेरेंट्स टू ऑफस्प्रिंग्स. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर लेट्स से मदर की जो आईज है वो ब्राउनिश है और उसके बच्चे की भी अगर आईज ब्राउन है तो उन्होंने क्या किया है, करेक्टर को इनहेरिट किया है फ्रॉम हिज और हर मदर. ओके, तो ये सब जो करेक्टर ट्रांसफर का प्रोसेस है ये कौन करता है, जीन्स. ऑलराइट, ओके. नाउ इफ यू सी इन प्लांट सेल देयर इज अ void space present. Void space यानी empty space. In animal cell also void spaces are present. Now what's the difference between these two? In plant cell this void space is known as vacuole. Animal cells में भी vacuole present है. Plant cell में vacuole size is larger as compared to animal cells. All right. In plant cell also green colored plastids are present. I represented here with the blue marker, but these are actually green. ठीक है, so these green colored plastids, these are known as chloroplast. All right. So why these plastids are green? Because they contain chlorophyll. As you all know, chlorophyll plays important role in the process of photosynthesis. यानी जो plants food making process करते हैं उनके लिए क्लोरोफिल बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करता है बिकॉज क्लोरोफिल कैप्चर सनलाइट एंड देयरफॉर these chlorophyll play important role in the photosynthesis process. All right. Now if we want to differentiate between animal cell and plant cell, then how we will do it? See, in animal cell, in plant cell there is an extra boundary present which is known as cell wall, but in animal cell wall is absent. In plant cell you can see the vacuole size is very large, but in animal cell vacuole size is smaller. Okay, in animal cells, sorry, in plant cells you can see green colored plastids are present which are known as chloroplast, but in animal cell these chloroplasts are absent. Okay, so that's all in today's lecture. I hope you got all the things that we have discussed so far. If you have any query, then you can ask me later. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.